Good morning, students of class 7th. Welcome to your online classes of listening activity. Under listening activity today for class 7th, we will be covering out the unit number 8. Unit number 8, what do you think? For class 7th, listening. Listen to two people expressing their views about the hill town of Shimla. You have to listen to the two people who are talking about the hill town of Shimla. The head of the town administration, it is the head of the town administration, and an artist who grew up in Shimla. As an artist who grew up in Shimla. As you listen, tick the right answer. As you listen, you have to tick the right answer and put a cross in the incorrect answer. Now, see, you will be listening to the conversation now. Mr. Sanjeev Chawla, head of town administration, Shimla, shares his thought with us. In Shimla, at present, the population is already more than the hills can bear. But yes, the town has to grow. We are trying our best to transform Shimla and make it a better place to live in. It is my hope that if we persuade people to take part in public projects, we can bring in all the changes. We plan. We have made a small beginning. This year, by developing 12 parks and playgrounds, we need to put in place an effective environment, friendly public transport system suitable for the hills. I think that it is important. We also require about 50 to 100 parking lots. If we manage to do all this, then hopefully a few years from now, tourists will find Shimla a much less crowded and more attractive place. We are about to put new drainage system. We have also drawn a plan to renovate the town hall, the shop facades on Mall Road, and the old ladies park. With steps like these, in my view, we will bring back the lost glory of Shimla and protect its heritage. We will now listen to Shalini Kher, well known artist and sculptor. I think Shimla today is not at all like the Shimla, say, 30 years ago. It used to be such a pretty town. Houses were few, with vast green meadows, gardens, and wide open spaces. Between them, we used to go to a spot called Tara Devi. The view of Shimla town from there was so beautiful. Shimla had all the charm of a well planned small town then. It was the British summer capital. So there were buildings of historical importance. I used to walk to my college. There were few cars on the road. My head was filled with dreams, breathing the fresh air. Now I must admit, I feel a little alarmed. The town is unbelievably crowded. The town is unbelievably crowded now. It's full of ugly modern buildings. I do think the government should put a stop to more and more construction. We cannot sacrifice the beauty of Shimla by saying the town has to grow. I feel that no development can match the value of the clean air and sheer greenery. We must preserve this. Now, as you listen, you will be solving the below exercises. Now, see listening. A part. Listen to two people expressing their views about the hill town of Shimla, which you have already listened to. The head of the town administration and an artist who grew up in Shimla. As you listen, take the correct answer and cross the incorrect one in the box. Now, see the administrator. The first one feels that Shimla must grow. You have to put right or wrong in the box. Second one has developed 12 parks and playground. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Third one wants a better public transport system in Shimla. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fourth one is creating more parking lots. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fifth one wants to bring down old buildings. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Sixth one thinks that Shimla's heritage cannot be preserved. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Now, the artist says, point number one, Shimla has not changed. That means you have to put right and wrong in the box. Second one, Shimla was once green. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Third one, Shimla has many ugly historical buildings. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fourth one, that she went to college by car. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fifth one, the government should control construction. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Sixth one, we must preserve the beauty of Shimla. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Now listen again to complete task B. Now what is task B now? Tick the most suitable option. You have to tick the most suitable option. Okay. The title you would choose for the discussion you heard would be point number one, Shimla, the queen of hill stations. Okay. Which title you will be choosing? You have to select that. Second one, Shimla, growth and progress. Third one, Shimla, caring for its heritage. Fourth one, Shimla, the glorious past. That means you have to do this exercises after listening to the conversation. Thank you very much all. Take care of yourselves and be safe and healthy. God bless you.